Here's the first question. So pick the right spelling for the number. So you can see the number on your screen. Pick the right spelling. Okay, so 4 of you have answered it correctly, and there is only one incorrect answer. Very good. So the correct spelling for the word over here, which the number which was given was 8, and the correct spelling for that is E-I-G-H-T, 8. Yes, very good. Many of you have answered it correctly. I'm proud of you. A big round of applause for everyone. Now let's see what is the scoreboard has to say. Okay. Okay, Anvi is at the top. Good job. So guys, no need to get demotivated. We have a lot of many questions still with us. Let's move to the next question. Pick the right spelling of the word for the number. So a number will appear on your screen. Okay, the number was 39. Okay, the number did not appear. I'm so sorry. There was a glitch somewhere over there. So 39 is the correct one for this. Let's see what is the scoreboard say. Okay, and we again at the top. Okay, guys, let's move to the next one. What is the value in the tens place in the number 81? Value in the number 81. Is it 8, 80, 1 or 10? Wow, everybody got this correct. Well done. A big round of applause for all of you. I'm so proud of you. So all of you got this correct. Are you happy? I cannot see smiles on the faces. Come on, guys. Give me the big smile. Yes, Twisha, Akshra, come on. Anvi, I cannot see you. Okay, let's see what is the scoreboard has to say. Okay, again, Anvi is maintaining the top rank, followed by Nikit, Prag, Aruhi, and then Yash. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Count the blocks and write the number. Okay, you need to count the blocks over there and you need to write the number. Is it 60, 62, 63, or 64? 3. Okay, everybody got this right. Wow, you people are so good at it. Good job. Let's see what is the scoreboard has to say. Okay, Anvi is maintaining her top position. Great job, Anvi. Followed by Nikit, Prag, Aruhi, and Yash. Okay, guys, so no need to get demotivated. There are so many more questions left. So this leaderboard can change any time. Okay, let's move to the next one. Count and fill the missing number. Okay, you got it from the options. So it's 58. After 58, we had 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and 64. All right. So many of you got it correct. Okay, so I can see that the image was not loading. There was some glitch over there. But yeah, so this one is correct and one of you have got it right. So let's see what is the leaderboard has to say. Okay, Anvi is again at the top, followed by Nikit, Prak, Aruhi, Yash. Okay, the leaderboard is still the same. Come on, guys, you can also do it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, it's a word problem. Yesterday, Hallie had 31 shirts. Today, she bought 7 more shirts. How many shirts does she have now? Okay, 38. All of you got it correct. Wow, great job. So this was an addition problem basically, in which Hallie had 31 shirts and she bought 7 more shirts. And whenever you see the word now, that means you need to add 31 plus 7, which is equal to 38. Great job. Okay, let's move to the next question then. And before that, let's see if there is any change in the scoreboard. Okay, Prague has moved to the 3rd position, has the highest answer streak of 3. Great job, Prague. Okay, Anvi is still maintaining the top lead. Who is Prague? Is that Akshara? Akshara, is that you? Okay, so Akshara has moved to the 3rd position. Great. Let's see the next question. Build the sum by expanding the number as tens and ones. Number is going to be, have to build the sum by expanding the number as tens and ones. 0 plus 98, 10 plus 88. Okay, so 4 of you got it right and 2 got it wrong. Let's see how it is to be done. So when we have the number 98, it means that 8 is in the ones place and 9 is at the tens place. So in the expanded form, we can write it as 9 tens plus 8 ones. Do you agree with me over there? Give me a thumbs up if you agree with this. Yes, Nikit, Twisha, Akshara, Anvi. Okay. And when it is 9 tens, we know that 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So 9 tens will mean 90 ones, or we can say that we can write it as 90 plus 8, which is equal to 98. So 98 is also equal to 0 plus 98, 10 plus 88. But when you write it in the expanded form as tens and ones, so 98 is written as 90 plus 8 because it has 9 tens and 8 ones. Did you get this? Everybody? Okay, so let's move ahead and let's see if I believe now there must be some change in the scoreboard. Okay, it's already, wow, Akshara has moved to the 2nd position and Nikit is at the top one. Great job. Okay, there's definitely a change in the scoreboard now. Okay, guys, keep up the spirit. Let's move to the next question. Choose the right expression for the expanded form of the number. Okay, so we need to choose the right expression of the expanded form for the number. The number is 22. The right expression of the expanded form for number 22. Okay, so 5 of you got it correct, 1 got it wrong. So the number is 22. Now in the number 22 again, we have 2 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, and we know that 2 tens means 20 because, okay, because 110 means 10 ones, so 2 tens will mean 20. Okay, so it would be 20 plus 2. Okay, guys. So the correct option is 20 plus 2. So the first one is going to be the correct one. Do you all agree with me? Okay, let's move to the next one and let's see if there is any change in the scoreboard. Okay, still Nikit is at the top, Akshra maintaining the second position, followed by Anvi, Aruhi and Shritvi. Great job. So guys, let's start with the next question then. Okay, so here is the next question on your screen. Choose the right number for the image below. So the image is over here and you need to choose the right number for the image. 147, 47, or 74. Okay, only 3 of you answered. And let's see what was the image with us. Okay, so the image is in the tens place. You can see 4 blocks or 4 sticks of 10. And in the ones place, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So children, whenever you are seeing these blocks, these are a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So whenever you see these blocks, it means 110. This is a group of 110. And whenever there are 1 blocks like these means ones. Now, how many blocks of tens can we see here? This is 110, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it is 4 tens. And in the 7, yes, Akshra, you have raised the hand. You can type in chat whatever you want to say. Okay, then we have 7 ones. And we know that 4 tens plus 7 ones would mean the number 47. So the correct option is 47. Okay, guys. So I hope you got this. Everybody, did you understand this? Give me some reactions, a thumbs up, a heart, or anything. Okay, all right. Let's see what is the scoreboard has to say. Okay, Nikit is now maintaining the top position, followed by Anvi, and Akshra is now moved to the third position, and Aruhi has got correct answers in a row. Great job, well done. Keep up the spirit, and let's move to the next question. And children, always remember that this is going to get changed anytime. So you need to work till the end of the game. We are not over yet. Let's move. Okay, in the number 92, how many tens are in the tens place and how many ones are in the ones place? So here is the number 92. How many tens in the tens place and how many ones in the ones place? All right, so 5 of you answered and all of you answered it correctly. So we have the number 92 here. And in this number 92, we know that in the 2-digit number, the number on the extreme right is in the ones place and this number is in the tens place. So it has 9 tens and 2 ones. Great job. So children, are you enjoying it? Everybody put a smile on your face. Come on. Give me a big smile. You all have so beautiful, beautiful smiles. Okay. Let's see what is the scoreboard has to say. Okay, now Aruhi has moved to the third position. Great. Come on, children, keep up the spirit. We have to do many more questions yet. Don't lose the hope. This can change anytime. So shall we move to the next question? Give me a thumbs up. Come on, Akshara, Twisha, Rumesa, Anvi. Give me a thumbs up. Let's move to the next question then. Fill in the blank. 5 tens plus 8 ones. Is it 85, 101, 508 or 58? Okay, so 4 of you answered and 1 is incorrect. Let's see what the question was.
Hi, Asma. Sorry, I have a request to make. Could you please, remove or replace the slider, the open board slider? It's kind of blocking the answer for the
Oh,
students, and they are not able to. So you can kind of minimize it when you are not using it.
okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, children. So we have the question 5 tens plus 8 ones. So we know that 5 tens plus 8 ones. So 5 tens, we already know 1 10 is 10. So 5 tens will mean the number 50 plus 8, which is 58. So the number over here in the blank is going to be 58. Okay, so I hope we all got this, right? Everybody, did you understand this? Okay, then let's move to the next question. All right. So let's first see what is the leaderboard has to say. Okay, so Anvi is again at the top position, followed by Nikit, Aruhi, Akshra, and Shritvi. Okay, I can see a very tough competition over here. So let's see what does the next question say. True or false? Of the two sides, side A has fewer blocks. So you have been given the blocks over here and you need to find if side A has fewer blocks. Is it true or is it false? I can already see 4 answers over here. Come on, everybody. 5 answers. Okay. All right. So 5 of you answered this correctly. Well done. I can see a majority of you answering the questions correctly. Really proud of you. So we have the blocks over here. So children, I already told you that whenever we have this group of 10 blocks, it means 110. Okay, so you can see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is 110. This is 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6 tens, and how many ones? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is 9 ones. Now if we look at the side B, how many tens we have? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Again 6 tens. Now let's count. There must be a difference in ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So we have 69 blocks over here and 68 blocks over here. So side A has more blocks than side B, but our statement was side A has fewer blocks, which is wrong, which is false. So the correct option is false. Okay, so I hope you got this one. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear, everybody. All right. Now let's move to the next one. Let's see what is the leaderboard has to say. Okay, Anvi is again at the top with Aruhi at the second position and Nikit at the third one. All right, let's move to the next question then. Choose the correct answer. Okay, choose the correct answer. Side A and side B. Side A has more blocks than side B. Side A has fewer blocks than side B. Side A and B have equal number of blocks. None of the above. All right, everybody has answered this correctly. I'm really happy. That means you understood the previous concept very well. Well done, children. All right, so I can see over here all of you have understood this correctly. Vihan, we have Vihan also here. Vihan, Anvi, Vihan, I cannot see you. Akshra, give me a smile, Akshra, come on.
Hi, Asma.
Hi, Parth.
Sorry once again to bother you. There's a Vihan just recently joined. Could you
Okay.
just stop the full screen mode? The game pin would be visible below. So we
Okay.
can just share the game pin and he can continue from here. Okay. So Vihan, if you can hear me, the game pin is 528365. I've also typed it in the chat. You will be able to play from the next question. Thank you, Asma. Please continue.
Okay, thank you, Pat. All right, so let's see what is the scoreboard has to say. Wow, now we have Aruhi at the top position, followed by Nikit and Anvi, Shritvi, Akshra. Nikit is making a comeback with 3 in the row. Wow, I can see that there is a lot of competition in the game. Great, children. Let's then move to the next one. And everybody, you have to keep trying till the last question because we have many more to come. Okay, let's see what's the next question. Both the expressions mean the same. So you have two expressions, 77 is greater than 71, 71 is lesser than 77. True or false? True. Okay, 4 of you answered this correctly and 1 answered it wrong. No problem. Let's see how we do it. Okay, the first question, the first expression says 77 is greater than 71. So children, a golden rule to check if a number is greater than other number is, first compare the number digits at the tens place. Now, if we see here, the digit at the tens place is 7. The digit at the tens place in the second number is also 7. Now let's move to the digit at the ones place. So the digit at the ones place here is 7 and in the other one it is 1. But we already know that 7 is greater than 1. So 77 is greater than 71. So this was our first expression. Now what does the second expression say? When 77 is greater than 71, can we say that 71 is lesser than 77? Yes, of course, they mean one and the same thing. So when 77 is greater than 71, that also means that 71 is lesser than 77. So I hope you got that. Let's see what is the scoreboard has to say. So everybody got this concept? Yes, Anvi, Vihan, Akshra. Okay, let's see then what is the scoreboard has to say. Wow, now Anvi has moved to the top position. Nikit, Aruhi, Shritvi, and Akshra. So I can see there is a change in the scoreboard after every question. I'm really, really happy that you are trying it at every point. Great job. Keep up the spirit. Good job, children. Let's move to the next one. Okay, what is the price of the least expensive MP3 player? So all of you love music. So yeah, so the image will be loading in some time. We need to find the price of the least expensive MP3 player. Okay, for some reason we couldn't get the image over here. Okay, so children will take this question as null because none of you answered it correctly, but let's see if the image is loading over here. Okay, children, so we'll just be skipping. Yeah, so we have this question here. The points of this question will not be counted. And let's try to do this question. So what is the price of the least expensive MP3 player? You can see over here. So we have to find which one is the least expensive. That means which one is the smaller of all these. So we have $90, $88, and $93 and $92. So out of these, the smallest number is 88. So 88 is the correct answer. That is MP3 player B is the least expensive of all of these. So none of you could answer this question. And I believe there won't be any change in the leaderboard.
Hi, Asma. I'm extremely sorry I keep coming in and bothering. Yes, I saw that there's a technical glitch. That's why the image was not coming up. But what if we do something? You can just open the open board and you can give them new values for that particular speaker. And we can ask students to raise their hands, whoever know what the answer is. And let's try one similar question like that. Would that work,
Oh,
Asma?
yeah, sure, sure.
So
So,
anyone who feels they know the correct answer, you can all type the answer in the chat and let's see who gets it correct.
okay, let's say that player A is $90, player B is $45, player C is $60, and player B is $54. Now, which one is the least expensive of these MP3 players? Yes, everybody, you can write your answers in the chat. Okay, Akshra 45, Yash B, player B, Twisha player B. Yes, Anvi player B. Yes, guys, you're absolutely right. Great job, great job. All right, all right. So good job, guys. Really proud of you. Now let's move to the next question then. Okay, this is a word problem. At a fair, 38 girls entered into the arm wrestling contest, 29 into singing, 49 into spelling bee, and 18 in the chess. Okay, so you need to choose the correct one. Singing contest had the least contestants. Arm wrestling contest had the least contestants. Chess tournament had the least contestants. Spelling bee had the least contestants. I can already see many of you answering. Okay, we have 5 answers. Okay, 2 of you answered correctly. Great job. Let's see what did the question say. So the question was, at a fair, 38 girls entered into the arm wrestling contest, 29 into singing, 49 in the spelling bee, and 18 in the chess. Now we need to choose out of these which statement is correct. The first statement was singing contest had the least contestants. So singing contest had 29. Is that the least? No. We have the numbers here 49, 29, 38, and 18. 38 are in the wrestling one. Let's write with W. 49 are in the spelling bee. I am writing it with B. 29 in the singing and 18 in the chess. So which one is the least of these? The least, the smaller number is 18. 18 in the chess tournament. So the correct option is going to be chess tournament has the least contest. So least contestants means the lesser one. So the lesser of these numbers is 18. So our correct option is chess tournament has the least contestants. I hope you all got this, everybody. Okay. All right. So let's move to the next question. But before that, we need to check what is the leaderboard has to say. Okay. So let's move to the check what does the leaderboard have. Okay, now we can see Anvi is at the top with Nikit at the second position, Aruhi, Shritvi, and Akshara. Great job. Now let's see what's the next question there. A basketball player scored 23 points in the first 3 quarters of the game. If she scores 10 more in the fourth quarter, then you need to choose from the options. She scores 33 points in total. She scores 45 points in total. She scores 23 points in total. She scores 13 points in total. So in the first 3 quarters, she scores 23 points. In the next Fourth quarter, she scored 10 more. Now how many total? Wow, great job, guys. Really proud of you. All of you answered correctly. Good job. Okay, let's see what is the leaderboard has. Is there any change? All right, Nikit is now at the top position. The competition is getting tougher. Okay, so then we have Aruhi, Anvi, Shritvi, and Akshara. Okay, guys, keep up the good work, keep up the spirit, and let's move to the next one. All right, a stamp collector has 64 stamps in his collection. If he buys 10 more stamps, how many will he have in his collection now? So the options are 54, 66, 74, 84. All right, again, you are all correct. Well done. Let's see what is the scoreboard has to say. Who was much faster in answering this? Wow, now Aruhi has a streak with 3 correct answers in a row. Brilliant, Aruhi. Great job. Everybody, come on. You need to buckle up now. Come on, come on. We need to move to the next question. Let's see. A zebra can run up to 40 miles per hour. A lion can run 10 miles per hour more faster than zebra. How fast can the lions run? Is it 10 miles per hour? Is it 40 miles per hour? Is it 50 miles per hour? Is it 30 miles per hour? Okay, so 6 of you answered it correctly with only 1 incorrect answer. Let's look at the question. So the question says a zebra can run up to 40 miles per hour. A lion can run up to 10 miles per hour more faster than zebra. How fast can the lions run? So the speed of zebras is given as 40 miles per hour. So the speed here is 40 miles per hour. And that of the lion is 10 miles per hour more faster than zebra. So it can run 10 miles per hour more faster than zebra. That means it's going to be 40 plus 10. So whenever you see the word more faster, it means that we need to add here. So what is 40 plus 10? It's 50. So the speed of the lines is 50 miles per hour. I hope you got this. Everybody got this concept? All right. So you can just give me some reactions. You can just give me some emojis, a thumbs up or anything. Okay. Are you all excited to see what is the leaderboard has to say? Is it? Okay. Let's move to check the leaderboard. Okay. So which of the coins below is worth 10 cents? Which of the coins is worth 10 cents? So you have the image of the coins here. Is it a quarter, a penny, a nickel, a dime? Yes, everybody. Which of the coins is worth 10 cents? A dime. Okay. Again, 6 people answered this correctly with just 1 incorrect answer. Great job. So we need to check which of these coins is worth 10 cents. So children, we already know that 1 penny means 1 cent and 1 nickel means 5 cents. And then we have 1 dime means 10 cents, which was our question. And then we have 1 quarter means 25 cents. And then we have $1 is equal to 100 cents. So there is some extra information for you here. So there is a song also for this, like 1 penny is 1 cent, 1 nickel is 5 cents, 1 dime is 10 cents, and 1 quarter is 25 cents. And then $1 is 100 cents. So our question was, which of the coins is worth 10 cents? So 1 dime is worth 10 cents. And that is our correct answer here. So I hope you got this. All right, let's move to the next question then. Okay. So before that, let's see what is the leaderboard has to say. Okay, so we have the same position of the leaderboard with Nikita at the top, followed by Aruhi, Anvi, Akshara, and Shritvi. 3 players just hit answer streak 4. Brilliant. Great. Now let's move to the next question then. How much money is 4 nickels? So again, the question from the money part, how much money is 4 nickels? All right. So is it 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, or 20 cents? I can already see many of you answering it quickly. Okay, so again, 6 people have got it right with just 1 incorrect answer. Let's see, what does the question say? So how much money is 4 nickels? So we have 4 nickels over here, right? And we know that 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. So 1 nickel means 5 cents. This is 5 cents, 5, 5, and 5. So let's skip count by 5. So we know that 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 plus 5 is 20. So it's 20 cents. So if 1 nickel is 5 cents, so that means 4 nickels is equal to 20 cents, right? Everybody, did you get this? All right, let's move ahead and see if there is any change in the scoreboard this time. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the scoreboard still shows the same position with Nikita at the top, Aruhi, Anvi, Akshara, and Shritvi, and 3 players just at answer streak 5. Brilliant. Okay, guys, come on. We need to move to the next question, and I hope now others will also just. Okay, so let's see what is the next question over here. If you have 2 nickels and 2 pennies, how much money do you have? So you have 2 nickels in your pocket and 2 pennies in your pocket. How much money do you have in total? Yes, how much money do you have? 10 cents, 12 cents, 15 cents, none. 10 cents, 12 cents. Okay, everybody got this right. Brilliant job. A round of applause for everyone. Great job, children. Let's see who got it more quick. Okay, Shrikvi is making a comeback with 3 in the row. So Nikita is again at the top. Arvi at the second position, followed by Anvi, Akshara, and Shrikvi. Great job. Let's move to the next question then. Look at the image and find out 80 subtract 10 and pick the right answer. So you need to look at the image and find out 80 subtract 10 and pick the right answer. So the image is given over here. Find out 80 subtract 10 and pick the right image. Yes, I already got 4, 5 answers, 6 answers, and the time's up. So all of the people who answered it correctly, but let me still explain it to you. So we need to look at this image. So this is a 10 frame, children. So over here, you have been given a group of 10. This is a 10 frame. This is 10, 10, 10, and this is also a 10, this is also a 10, this is also a 10, and this is also a 10. So in total we have 8 tens. That means this shows the number 80. Now the question says 80 take away 10 or 80 subtract 10. Whenever it is subtraction, that means we are taking away 1 10 frame from here. Let us say we take away this 10 frame. So I'm canceling out this. So how many 10 frames are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we know that 80 take away 10 is 70. And which image shows the 7 10 frames? The third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So third one is the correct answer. All right. So I hope you got this one. Okay, now let's move and see what is the leaderboard has to say. Okay, Anvi is making a comeback with 3 in the row. Great job, Anvi. So Nikit at the top. Nikit is maintaining the top position. Well done, Nikit. And then Arvi, Anvi, Akshara, and Shritvi. All right. So we still have 2 questions with us. Come on, children. Maybe there is some change in the leaderboard. So let's move to the next question. There are 50 guitars for sale at the music store. 30 guitars are sold. How many guitars are left at the music store? Okay, so there are guitars. I believe all of you like playing guitar. Everybody, okay. So before I could complete, you have answered it, and all of you have answered it correctly. Good job. I'm really proud of you. Well done. So let's see what is the scoreboard has to say. Okay, the scoreboard is still maintaining the same position. 3 players just hit answer streak 8. Well done. And Nikit is maintaining the top position. Now, guys, this is going to be the last question. Come on. Okay, so let's see what is the last question for today's session. Tickets to a symphony cost $70. Raul brought his ticket with a $10 discount. How much did he pay for the tickets? Okay, I'm already getting so many answers. $60, $70, $80, or $0. I already have 6 answers. All right, again, everybody is correct. Awesome. Great job. It was really fun playing this event with you. Now, are you all excited to see the scoreboard? Everybody excited to see the podium? Okay, then let's keep our fingers crossed and look who is the winner for today. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so Anvi is at the 3rd position. Great job, Anvi. Then Aruhi at the 2nd one. Well done. Now let's see who is the 1st one. All right, it's Nikit. Well done. And we also have runner-ups as Shritvi and Akshara. Good job, children. Awesome. So we did it and congratulations. We completed the domain number and operations in base 10. Now what next? Are you all excited to know what next we have? So in the next session, we'll be meeting again with a very new domain, and that is going to be the measurement and data. So in the next session on April 16, we will be meeting with the measurement and data part,